Hi, I am Sunil Kumar Singh from Sunbeam Convent School, Buxar. Children, in the first video, we have talked about the topology of network. Some topologies we have to be studied, their advantages, disadvantages, and their features we have studied in it. Now, in this video, we have to be start the rest topology. Now children, here we have to be start mesh topology. Mesh topology is a point-to-point connection to other nodes or devices. All the network nodes are connected to each other. Mesh has here physical channels to link to devices. And here are two techniques to transmit data over the mesh topology, that are routing and flooding. Now mesh topology routing under. In routing, the nodes have a routing logic as per the network requirements, like routing logic to direct the data to reach the destinations using the shortest distance, or routing logic which has information about the broken link, and it avoids those nodes etc., which can even have routing logic to reconfigure the failed nodes. Now, flooding in that mesh topology, the same data transmitted to all the network nodes, hence no routing logic is required here. The network is robust and it's very unlikely to lose the data, but it leads to unwanted load over the network. Children, in mesh topology, it has some types also. Like that, first one types is partial mesh topology. Partial mesh topology, in this topology, some of the systems are connected in the same fashion as mesh topology, but some devices are only connected to two or three devices. Now, another types of mesh topology is full mesh topology. In this, each and every nodes or devices are connected to each others, and it has some features also. That first one is fully connected. The second feature is robust, and the third feature of this mesh topology is not flexible. With this, it has some advantages also. The first advantages of this, each connections can carry its own data load and it is robust. And the third advantages is fault is diagnosed easily and provides securities and privacy. All with this, it has some disadvantages also. The disadvantages of installation and configuration is difficult. The second disadvantages is cabling cost is more and bulk rising is required. Now after this mesh topology, we will start tree topology. Tree topology, that it has a root node and all other nodes are connected to it, forming a hierarchy. It is also called hierarchical topology. It should at least have three levels to the hierarchy, and it has some features also. That one first feature is idle if workstation are located in groups. Now the second features of this, that used in wide area network, and regarding this it has some advantage also. The first advantages of this, that extension of bus and star topologies, expansion of nodes is possible and easily managed and maintained, and error detection is easily done. With these advantages, it has some disadvantages also. The disadvantages is children here that heavily is cabled and costly also very. And the third disadvantage is that if more nodes are added, maintenance is difficult and central hub fails, network fails. These are the disadvantages of tree topology. Now children, we have to be go through that hybrid topology, that when the next topology of under types of topology, that it is two different type of topologies, which is a mixture of two or more topology. For example, students, if in a office in one department ring topology is used and in another star topology is used, connecting these topologies will results in hybrid topology. Means here ring and star topology together forming what the topology we are getting, that one is called hybrid topology. Children, with this, it has some features also, that it is a combination of two or more topologies. That means ring and star topologies inherits the advantages and disadvantages of topologies included here. Now it has advantages also, that reliable as error detecting and troubleshooting is easy. Now the second advantages of this topology, that effective, flexible, scalable as size can be increased easily. Regarding these advantages, it has some disadvantages also. The first disadvantages of that complex in design, it very difficult and costly also. So children, we have studies here the topologies. Now children, just you have to be revise this what we have studied today, and till that you have to be stay at home and not go outside, use your time in studies, and next in videos we have to be meet. Thank you.